Are you struggling with Angular and getting an error that says it can't resolve all parameters for your service? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into a common issue that many developers face when working with Angular. I totally understand how frustrating it can be when your application won't run due to a simple injection error. It can feel like you're stuck in a loop, trying to figure out what went wrong. Trust me, this is a common hurdle for many Angular developers. Let's take a closer look at the specific situation. One user recently asked, "Why can't I inject user service into login service?" They encountered an error in the console that reads, "Can't resolve all parameters for user service." Sound familiar? Let's break this down together. So what's happening here? This error typically occurs due to circular dependencies in your services. In this case, login service is trying to inject user service, while user service is also trying to inject login service. This creates a loop that Angular can't resolve. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip on how to avoid these circular dependency issues in the future. To resolve the issue with the user service not being injectable into the login service, the user should first check for circular dependencies. This occurs when two services depend on each other directly. Next, the user can refactor the services to eliminate the circular dependency. One common approach is to use a shared service or to inject only the necessary dependencies. After refactoring, the user should update the constructors of both services to inject the new auth service instead of each other. This will allow the application to run without errors. Finally, the user should ensure that the new auth service is provided in the Angular module. This is crucial for Angular's dependency injection to work correctly. Fun fact, did you know that circular dependencies can lead to unexpected behavior in your applications? It's like trying to go around in circles. Eventually, you just end up where you started. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution to the circular dependency issue is to use the forward ref function. This allows you to inject a forward reference instead of the actual service, deferring the service injection and resolving the circular dependency. Here's the tip I promised. Always be cautious of circular dependencies when designing your services. A little planning can save you a lot of headaches down the road. And there you have it. By using forward ref and ensuring proper service provision, you can resolve this error and get your Angular app running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.